अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। से वालेकुम अस्सलाम। कैफ़ा हालुकुन्ना? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, माशाअल्लाह, जय्यद। तो टुडे इज़ Wednesday. Wednesday Arabic in, tell all of you. Wednesday Arabic is Yaumul Arbi'a'u. Arbi'a'u. Okay. Then first all of you start in the name of Allah. So what should we have right here? In the name of Allah. But Arabic is Bismillah. Arabic is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Bismillah. Okay. Now beta, yesterday we have learned how to change Jumla Ismiya into Jumla Fe'liya. Now I am going to explain again here one sentence. Okay. Look at the board. Unzuri ila sabura. Hamidun Zahaba ilal masjidi. Ilal masjidi. Okay. Yes. What is the translation, beta? Yes. Qumi, what is the translation? Hamidun Zahaba ilal masjid. Hamid, name of the boy. Zahaba means went. Ila means to. Masjid means mosque. Yes. Mosque. Safiqi. Hamid went to mosque. Hamid went to mosque. Salih Nasir Qumi. This sentence is starting from noun or from verb. Look at the board. Unzuri. This sentence, Hamidun Zahaba ilal masjid. This sentence is starting from noun or from verb? From noun. Al-jawab sahih? Naam. Safiqi. This sentence is starting from noun. Hamid is naming word. Yes. Hamid, Mahmud, Muhammad, Ahmad, Amina, Fatima, like this, Iqra. These all are Kitab, Al-Class, Al-Bab, Al-Nafiza, Al-Mirwaha, Al-Mudarris, As-Sa'a. Kullu Ashiya Asma'un. Kullu Ashiya Asma'un means nouns. Asma'un means Ismun means name. Ismun means name. And Ismun plural will be Asma'un. Okay. So Hamid is naming word. It is noun. Hamid is ism. Okay. So this sentence start from Hamid, from ism, from noun. Aina tanzuri ya bint? Aina tanzuri? Aina tanzuri means where are you looking? Aina tanzuri means She is looking door side. Saima Yasin. So look at me beta. Look at the board. Okay. Hamid is ism. Hamid is ism. Look all of you. Hamid is ism. Okay. Zahaba. Zahaba is ism or fail. Omi. Zahaba is ism or fail. Zahaba is ism. Yes. Umama. Fail. MashaAllah. Safiqi. Zahaba is fail. Zahaba is fail. Fail means action words. You know all of you action words like drinking, eating, okay, jumping, running, studying and playing. All things are verb. Action words, doing words. The action words and doing words which is called in Arabic fail. Which is called in Arabic fail. The Zahaba is ism or fail? Fail. Why? Because this is action words. Because this is means go, went, gone. These are action words, doing words, verb, fail, which is called in Arabic fail. Right here, fail. And then ila is harful jar. You know Alafi, how many harful jar are there? 5. I had taught you in first class. How many? 4 or 5? 5. Fi, ala, min, ila, ba, lam. How many are there? 5. 6. Huruful jar are there 6. Are there 6. The ila is harful jar. Ila is harful jar. Okay. Al masjid is majroor. Majroor. Why it is majroor? Because ending letter is coming there. Ending letter is coming there. That's why its name is majroor. Its name is majroor. So this sentence is jumla fe'liya or jumla ismiya? Jumla ismiya. If sentence will be start from ism, which is called jumla ismiya. If sentence is starting from ism, which is called jumla ismiya. So this sentence is starting from ism, from noun. So this sentence is jumla ismiya. Jumla ismiya. Jumla means mamana jumla. Very good. Jumla means sentence. Jumla means sentence. And ismiya means nominal. Ismiya means nominal. The jumla ismiya in English is nominal sentence. Nominal sentence. So look all of you, Zahaba is coming second and first is coming noun, ism. So this is jumla ismiya. One sentence more here. Zahaba Hamidun ilal madrasa. Yes. Zahaba Hamidun ilal madrasa. Yes, Saima Yasin. What is the translation of this sentence? Kumi. What is written here? Read. First read the sentence. Teacher. Madrasa means? Mudarris means teacher. Mudarris means teacher. Madrasa means school. Hamid went to school. Yes? School. MashaAllah. Very good. Now tell me this sentence. First word is ism or fail? Fail. MashaAllah. Zahaba is fail. Safiqi. Zahaba is fail. Enough. How you know Zahaba is fail? How you know that Zahaba is fail? What is the sign? Yes, Humaira.
Because it is action word.
MashaAllah, Safiqi. Because Zahaba is action words, doing words. Okay? Action words, doing words, and verb. So, Zahaba is fail. Zahaba is fail. This sentence is starting from fail. So it is called jumla failure. Jumla here noun is coming, so this is jumla ismiya. Here fail is coming, this is jumla failure. MashaAllah. Zahaba is, tell all of you, fail. Zahaba is fail. And Hamid is Hamid is no better. Zahaba is fail. After fail, noun will be fa'il. I had taught you online fail, fa'il, maf'ul bi. Yes? Not? I had taught you online fail, fa'il, maf'ul bi. So Zahaba is fail and Hamid is fa'il. How you know Hamid is fa'il? I have explained in the sentence a person doing the work, so person will be fa'il. Person will be fa'il. The going work, who is doing in this sentence? Going work, who is doing? Hamid will be fa'il. MashaAllah. Hamid will be fa'il. And one sign more is there, कि fa'il ending letter always will come two pesh. Always will come and sometime one pesh also. Sometime one pesh also. Suppose here written Hamid. Here, if here al-mudarris, alif lam is coming, al-mudarris, that's why one pesh is suitable. So Hamid will be fa'il. So write here fa'il. Okay? And then ila is same. Ila is same. Tell all of you. Harful jar. Harful jar. And madrasa is majroor. And whole sentence will be which sentence? Fail. Failure. Jumla. Tell all of you jumla. Failure. Sentence starting from fail, so jumla failure. Sentence starting from noun, so jumla ismiya. Jumla failure. Okay? You have understood? Jumla failure and jumla ismiya. MashaAllah. Yes, betu. Pomi. You tell me one sentence of jumla ismiya. Your own, yourself, your side. Any sentence tell me of jumla ismiya. Everyone think. I will ask to everyone. One sentence. Tell me of Jumla Ismiya of your own. Yourself. Think, all of you. Are you thinking or not? Only sleeping here. Online you all are sleeping. And offline also sleeping. Yes? Yeah, no? No, sir? Yes, Betu, you tell me. Hamidun dakhalal fasla. MashaAllah. Safiq. Very good, beta. Excellent. MashaAllah. Yes. You tell me one sentence of Jumla Felia. One sentence of Jumla Felia. Yes. Bisura. Quickly. Yes, Sama Yasin. One sentence of Jumla Felia. Yes, Betu. You have told me. MashaAllah. Yes, you. Qumi. One sentence of Jumla Felia. Ijlisi, beta. Ijlisi. Many fails are there. Shariba, Akala, Kataba, Akala, Nasara, Gasala. Akala Hamidun at-ta'ama. At-ta'ama. Safiqi. MashaAllah. Good. Hamid ate the food. Hamid ate the food. The akala is action words. Akala is action words. This sentence start from fail. So this is Jumla Felia. MashaAllah. Very good. Akala Hamidun at-ta'ama. At-ta'ama. MashaAllah. Very good. Yes, Betu, you tell one sentence of Jumla Felia. Ya Jumla Ismiya. Tell Jumla Ismiya. Sentence is necessary. Will be beginning word is ism. Beginning word is ism. Tell. You. What is this? Come. You don't know? Yes. Al-waladu means? Boy. Al-bintu means? Girl. Al-bintu jalisatun. The girl is? It is not sentence? Yes. Al-waladu waqifun. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. I am standing already. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. This sentence is Jumla Ismiya or Felia? Jumla Ismiya. Yes. You tell one sentence of Jumla Ismiya. Al-mudarrisatu. Yes. Female teacher. Quickly. Al-mudarrisatu taktubu ala sabura. Yes. The female teacher is writing on the board. Is writing on the third class. Yes. Taktubul mudarrisatu alas sabura. Taktubul mudarrisatu alas sabura. Look alafi. Kataba yaktubu means to write. Kataba yaktubu means write. Taktubul mudarrisatu. Yes. Mudarrisatu ala sabura. Wait, Bittu. No. Only listen and understand. Okay? Istami'i wa ifhami. Ifhami means understand. Istami'i means listen carefully. Yes, you. You tell one sentence of jumla fe ismiya. Mashallah, mashallah. Safiqi. Khalidun jalasa alal kursi. Alal kursi. Khalid sat on the chair. Mashallah. Very good. Asanti. Khalidun jalasa alal kursi. Alal kursi. Now tell me, Khalid is ism. Tell. Khalid is ism. Jalasa is fail. Very good. Ala is harfe jar. Harful jar. Very good. And then kursi is majroor. Very good. Mashallah. Very intelligent student. है ना? Antunna. Antunna askiya. Antunna. Antunna means you all girls. You. And askiya means student children. Okay, stop it. Intelligent, mashallah. Askiya means intelligent. Mashallah, you all are very nice. Okay. So Khalid is this sentence is starting from ism. So it is called jumla ismiya. Mashallah. It is called jumla ismiya. Very good. Now beta. Yes, you have done? Yes beta, Komi. You tell one sentence of jumla ismiya. Quickly. Wait. Your turn also coming. No. Yes, you. One sentence of jumla ismiya. Yes, you. Tell. Yes. One sentence of jumla ismiya. I have written already. Another sentence, tell me. So much verb are there. Yes, no. Think. Shariba means drank. Akala means ate. Akala means ate. And qara means read. Qara means read. And dakhala means entered. Dakhala means yes. Hamidun yashrabu al-ma'a. Mashallah. Safiqi. Very good. Hamid is drinking the water. Drinking the water. Look, all of you. Hamidun yashrabul ma'a. Okay. Hamid is fail. Hamid is ism. Mashallah. And yashrabu is fail. Yashrabu is fail. And ma is water. Maful bi. Hamid is ism. Okay. Yashrabu is fail. Okay, ba fa'il, and alma is maf'ul bihi. Okay. Now this is jumla ismiya and jumla fe'liya. I think that you have understood it well. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. MashaAllah. Now beto, yes. Today I am going to take, open all of you, exercise number 9, ta'ammalil amsilatal atiya. Ta'ammalil amsilatal atiya. Read and read and remember. Yes, very good, mashallah. Listen all of you. Kharajat tullabu wa zahabu. Kharajat tullabu, page number 46. Page number 46, everyone open. Exercise number 9. Exercise number 9. Now take out your pencil also and write the translation in front of the sentence. In front of the sentence. Where is your book? Yes, you come here. Both are sister, come. Look here. Yes. You better read first one and tell the translation. MashaAllah. Very good. Went out. The students came out and they went. And they went. Listen all of you. Kharaja means came out, went out. Came out, went out. At-tullab. Tullab means student. Tullab means student. Wa zahabu. Zahaba, zahaba, zahabu. One day I have given Gardan all of you of zahaba. Have you learned or not learned? Gardan is very necessary, all of you learn. Okay? The zahabu. Zahabu means they went. Zahabu means they went. So what is the translation? The students came out and they went. And yes, write all of you quickly on your book in front of the sentence. The students, plural. The students came out. The students, page number 46. 46. Yes. Read and remember. Read and remember here. Right. Kharaja. The students, plural word. The students came out. The students came out and they went. And they went. They spelling T-H-E-Y. Very good. They went. Too much space are there. You are starting from half. Erase and start from beginning. Erase all. Start from, yes. And they went, betu. They went. They spelling is T-H-E-Y. T-H-E-Y. They went. The students came out and they went. Now second. Second is Umama. Read and then translate it. Yes. Read. The students read and they they write. Kataba, kataba, katabu. Kataba, kataba, katabu. Kataba, he wrote. Kataba, they two boys wrote. Katabu, they all boys wrote. Right? The students read and they wrote. They wrote. Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. Write, all of you. Wrote. Wrote. The students read, R-E-A-D. R-E-A-D. Read, and they wrote. T-H-E-Y. They. W-R-O-T-E. Wrote. Yes. Number 3. Akalan nasu wa sharibu. Akalan nasu wa sharibu. You know? Translation? Yes. Nusaba sila. Akalan nasu wa sharibu. Nusaba? Nas means people. Nas means people. Yes. Start. The people and they drank. And they drank. Okay. Akalan nasu wa sharibu. Akalan nasu wa sharibu. Yes. The people ate and they drank. Drank. And they drank. Okay.